Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Sponsor sa buwan din tungod sa inyo wala giving success ang represent sa area and Mass Corporation. I love you so much.
Hi sir, gusto na ako magpasalamat sa inyo sa pag-welcome sa Muadra sa Payag and sa pagtabang na ma-provide ang among needs. Okay nanay tatay sa pag-prepare sa among foods every time na namin dira sa Payag. Especially kay Sir Lee nga na-adjure throughout sa among journey. Thank you so much sir sa pagsabay sa mga during the Grand Rehearsal Santo sa Painas. You're the best.
And then, I Sir Leonard, thank you sa nabibigay ko lang as a final population, wala kang may sir.
Hi Sir Leonard, especially sa pinagandang tatay. Thank you kaayo sir for everything. Tapos, thank you for motivating us from the start pa lang na ipakita na hindi mo ready ka to support us and pinagandang tatay. Thank you kaayo for motivating us during our practices and nagpag-imo pa lang sa practice na namin ang tatay na kaya naman ni okay kami nga nice ang performances and thank you po I thank you also sa mga food na nagtatag sa mga pagkaon sa panahon natin sa mga
And then, family member,
yes
Thank you, Sir Lee and family, and thank you for making our stomach full and sobrang water props, and thank you so much, Mel's Corporation family.
Hi, Sir Leonard.
And Mass Corporation.
Especially to Nana and Tatay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sponsoring us and supporting us, and thank you for feeding us sa punta kay Nana and Tatay sa pagkakatod sa mga sunod.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sir Leonard, for supporting us throughout our journey sa Dinala. Thank you for guiding us, giving us love, and giving us food to eat. Always, thank you so much, Sir Leonard, and the rest of the family. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Leonard, Mass Corporation, and especially in Nanay Tatay, sir. Thank you so much. Welcome me always sa inyong bayan and permanently you supported and like first time giving like super bongga gig kaayo ang mga production, especially sa drops. Like, oh my gosh, it's the dollar. Thank you so much, sir. And bonggang kaayo and very generous kayo yung heart and very bongga ng gig kaayo and overall mura na po mura na mag second family na mo uling mo. So mga kayo.
Let's celebrate love. 1, 2, 3, go.
Celebrate love!
Hello, Sir Lee. Thank you for everything. Thank you sa tanan-tanan from start sa pag-ibig sa proud. Thank you so much, and God bless and more blessings to Max Corporation.
So hello day Sir Lee sa iyong family.
Lester! Hi!
I made this video kay gusto na ako
say thank you sa tanan ninyong sacrifices para sa mua kay kami sayang ni nga naramdaman ko jud na mo ang inyong support. Salamat kaayo gikan sa pinaka first day jud sa among pag-training ngadto sa nahuman ng competition. Salamat jud kayo Sir Lee ug sa inyong tanan kay wala mi ninyo gipabayaan. That's all that I can say. Thank you.
Hi, Sir Lee and fam, and the rest of the Melts Corporation. Thank you so much for loving us, guys. Appreciate din naman tanan niyo tabang sa amua. And of course, first time po nang una experience na na-adjay nag-support sa amua throughout this journey. We thank you and we love you so much, guys. Yes, I can't believe it's already almost a week since I was able to meet you guys, and it didn't even need me a week actually. With the 3 days na I've been there, I really felt the love and the support of the Filipino people, of Sir Lee and the family. Dito ko lang sa pagkaon, sa pangamusta, sa muan and everything. We have never felt so loved, especially when it comes to sa thematic, and we can't wait to give back however we can. So all the power and blessings to Sir Lee and family, as well as the Melts Corporation, and we wish you the best and all the endeavors that you choose to do. And in behalf of the GAYs, the thematic fam, we love you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Tapos, gati man ninyo pag-ayo na wala mo di ka po yung masabi sa pasaway kayo may tanaan. Gati man din mo di ka po sa mga. Tapos, kay Sir Leonard, thank you kay Gati man yung kumpras. Salamat kayo kay dito di ka po yung nakagilid. Di mo dyan di mo kumpras niya. Hawag pa dyan pagkalimon niya. Morat ko, thank you kayo. Tapos, kay nanay o kay tatay niya kay Sir. Kung mingaw mo sa inyo ang balay, ingon lang mo kay malaan mo sa inyo. Morat ko, thank you.
Hello po, Nanay and Tatay, and Sir Lee. Before anything else,
And Sir Artie.
I would like to greet each and everyone a good evening, and thank you so much for your presence po tonight for this victory party. I know that you have a lot of commitments, and I know na dagan kayo mo ginaasikaso, pero thank you so much kay naagi hapon mo diri nag-celebrate together with us ever since the beginning. Una-una pa lang na naging sponsor na mo ka Sir, I really thought na ay siguro maglisod yan kay Sir kay tungod na ako sa corporation, na siya ginatrabaho na siya company, so dili kay na mo ka mahagilap, but later on you proved to us na ang imuhang committed 100% na adjud sa amuan. So thank you so much for that Sir. Na-feel dyan na mo Sir na dili lang ka sponsor, na-feel dyan mi nga na aming friend, na-feel dyan mi nga na aming kampi. Thank you so much. And of course sa parents ni Sir Lee, kay nanay o kay tatay, nanay, tatay, thank you so much po from day one. Na-feel dyan na mo nga na ako dira si nanay, pero nasigalo po para sa mo, si tatay always nagatabang, mag-building nag-appeal para sa ako. Thank you so much. Sorry po kung medyo maingay kami sa kayag, makalat, but thank you so much for everything that you have done for us, and I hope that next year, kung palaron o kung uban pa mo sa amo ang journey next year, I hope na naalagi ako mo mag-support, and I'm so thankful and grateful to have this kind of people in my life, in our lives. Dili na lang yun sponsor o dili na lang yun partnership. Ang feel na ako dili karon, I feel like I have a new family to cherish. So thank you so much, and I hope that you enjoy the night tonight. Thank you so much, and we love you. Thank you po.
Thank you, Sir Lee and family. Again, sabihin natin in person. We want to thank you, Sir Lee and Melts Corp. Thank you, Sir Lee and family and Melts Corporation in 1, 2, 3, go! Thank you, Sir Lee and family and Melts Corporation. And of course, for our inspirational message, let's hear from the man himself, Sir Lee. A round of applause, please.
What's up, Woodland people?
Ready na ba kayo sa concert ko? So, okay, so dili lagi ko dito. Siguro dili tayo ano mo yung projector. Supposedly mahila ko pero saba ko kay Bujod. Nalingaw ko. Anyway, so first and foremost, siguro dagan kong salamat from our family, from Mel's Corporation, kasi naging part kayo sa inyong journey. And we would like to say thank you as well as sa pagiging kuwan. Grabe ang perseverance na nakita namin sa inyo ha. From 4 years na, di ba? 4 years na maanapin ko. Sayang no? Galing ko always ibig nga na. Pero last year, props director po ko sa DepEd. So, together with you, nagsabay niya ato. So, anong kay Dimar nga, supposedly wala mo ba ito ni Dimar ang ang props kung after sa during sa inyong performance, but a higher position doesn't allow, wala niya i-allow. Now, going back, anak ko nga, what if kaya no, kung mag-tandem na next year, anak kay Dimar. So, then after ato, then wala na to siyang idea, kaya na-busy ko. And then they asked me, sila Sir Dimar and Ma'am Kim, na Sir, dalo lang naman yung pangalan, bahala lang ka na buwan, kasi unang gani, sa last na ang pangalan, wala pang gani, hindi pa nito. Sige, wala problema. Then anak ko din, maghatag lang ko og sponsorship. Guys, I'm a person siguro nga kailangan, hindi ko gusto makakita kaya na ginapasagdag na ko din sa kama. Mura ko kaya ginapumot ko, kahit ko pasagdag na lang ko. Anak ko, to be honest, dili man sa pangkuhan dili man sa panungboy or something daghan ko gi-turn down ng mga engagements, daghan ko ka ng mga opportunity siguro nga wala na akong ikuha. It's because dili ko gusto pasagdan na ko. Wala ka kaya mo, pag-ulaw-ulaw ko, because that's my passion. Kabalo na akong parents kung paano ko nagdako, high school, elementary. That's my passion, kung sa inyong passion ka. So, I understand, asa mo gikan, kung saan inyong ginagihan, kaya we are all the same. Lisod siya, especially pag wala may nagkasuporta sa tua. Sometimes magod ka na, nakay gusto sa imong life, pero walay kulang support. Lisod yun siya. Pero, I just want to tell you na maski gamay nga support or dako man nga support, gusto ko makabangan and I don't want you to be on stage na having no weapons at all. So, nag-decide na lang ito, sige, full-time na ako na. So, dili lang po natungod na kanang dili lang po tungod sa kay Dimar just because it's because of my passion and I wanted you to feel at home, even sa ang balay, wala kayo may makuha nila, you are all welcome. Maski pag humana akong thematic, you can still stay there, wala problema, you can
ang mga taga-poblasyon, agruin, atake.
Okay, so, dagang salamat from my family and babawi ba tayo? Babawi tayo. Depende kung dili siya mo-abroad. Okay, so that's all and dagang salamat. Let's enjoy the night. Thank you so much and you are all welcome.
Yay!